Welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial we're going to learn how to create a cross-stitch embroidery design using an image in PE Design 11 or Pallette 11. We're going to go ahead and go into our image tab, click on Open from File. We will click on the drop-down arrow to locate PE Design 11, Tutorial 6, and we will go ahead and click on the tulip image. Click Open, and it will bring it into our design area for us. From here we will click on the cross stitch button under the image tab, and we will click on, you can choose color, sepia or gray, so we'll just do color for this. And this opens up our mask. You can go ahead and choose any mask that you would like to use for this. I think I will go ahead and grab this one. I will grab the arrows to adjust it to where I would like to place the mask. And I think that looks okay. Make it a little bigger, I guess. And then we will go ahead and click on Next. As you learned with the auto punch tutorial, you can tune your image for the sharpness, the brightness, the colors. And we'll click Next, and this opens up the Mask Shape Modify section where you can choose your design settings for your hoop size and your machine setting. You can choose to fit it to page, and it tells you the size of your design. Go ahead, click Next. And here are your cross stitch parameters. Go ahead, and here's where you can omit colors if you would like. You can choose your cross stitch size. Let's go ahead and recheck all those. Your cross stitch size, how big you want your crosses to be. You can choose your color chart, and you can choose the maximum number of colors you want to use, and it will try to adjust it accordingly. Click Next. And here is your zoom in and out, so you can zoom in and out of your design. And then here are your colors. You can change your colors if you would like with the button here, or you can go ahead and hit cancel, click on the color picker, and you can pick certain areas to change. Cancel. You can click on how many times you want to stitch each cross stitch, single, double, or triple. You can back stitch how many times that you want to. You can display a template. You can add your mask outline and click Finish. And it will create your cross stitch embroidery design, where you can go ahead and click on Home and edit it as you normally would. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be notified when future tutorials are posted. Thank you for watching.